Park College of Engineering and Technology, affiliated to Anna University, AICTE, NBA, NAAC with A grade. The mission of the college is to create infrastructure and facilities of very high standards, to maintain world-class laboratories, workshop and educational resources for learning, teaching and research, to ensure effective implementation of the given curricula through high qualified and competent faculty, to provide continuous evaluation, assessment, test and examinations for improving the quality of its educational input processes and outputs. The vision is to be a pioneer potentials of students and faculty in engineering education through world-class infrastructure and educational resources for learning, teaching and research. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Park Engineering College: Aeronautical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Robotics and Automation Engineering, Textile Technology, Mechatronics, Computer Science and Engineering, Biomedical Engineering and Geoinformatics Engineering. The cutoff marks for Park Engineering College for various castes and various departments. For OC it is 132 to 171, for BCM 132 to 162, for BC 127 to 165, for MBC 93 to 169 and for SC 80 to 129. The facilities at Park Engineering College. The library has ever-growing collections of books, periodicals, CDs, back volumes, projects, etc. in various branches of engineering, science and technology. The main aim of Central Library is to provide information services, access to print and e-resources to support the staff and students community. The library is fully computerized and OPAC system is followed inside the library. Hostel. Park hostels, usually filled to its capacity, cater to the need of individual students. Wholesome food, both veg and non-veg, prepared in hygienic conditions. And the menus are decided by the choice of the students. Hostels of single accommodation with international standards are also available in the campus. Girls' hostel can accommodate up to 400 students and boys up to 650 students. Sports. The institute recognizes the importance of sportsman spirit and team effort for students. This can be learned in congenial environment through sports and games. For this, the campus has adequate sport facilities and the state-of-art infrastructure. A number of inter-college and intra-college sports events are organized through every year to enable the students to develop a spirit of healthy competition and team effort. The campus has adequate sport infrastructure in the sprawling ground of 12 acres. Various sports activities such as cricket, basketball, volleyball, football, badminton, table tennis, chess and several other indoor and outdoor games. The major recruiters at Park Engineering College are Capgemini, TCS, KIEA Motors, Nitrovet Technologies, Tata Motors, Alpha Associates, and the salary given per annum is 4.3 to 4.5 and the minimum is 1.2 lakhs per annum. The result comparison for Park Engineering College from 2013 to 2017. In 2013 it was 68% and in 2014 the overall percentage was 58. In 2015 it was 67. In 2016 it was 58 and in 2017 it was 44%. The college counseling code is 2716. Contact college at 0421 291100 or 2911 The website is www.pcet.ac.in. College is located at NH 544, Avinashi Road, Kaniyur, Coimbatore 641659. Mail ID is info@pcet.ac.in.